Samsung is preparing to release One UI 7 for older Galaxy phones, starting from the Galaxy S21 FE and extending to the latest S24 series. This update significantly changes the user experience, focusing on visual and functional improvements. One of the most noticeable updates is the design overhaul. The icons now have a more 3D-like appearance, moving away from the previous flat design. The app drawer has also changed. Instead of swiping horizontally, it now scrolls vertically. To dismiss the app drawer, swipe back instead of using the simple up and down gesture. The way notifications and quick settings work has also been redesigned, taking inspiration from iOS. Notifications can be accessed by swiping down from the top of the screen, while quick settings are now available by swiping from the top right corner, similar to the iPhone's control center. Although you can rearrange the quick settings, resizing options are limited. For those who prefer the old style, a legacy option called Together Mode combines both panels again. A handy shortcut has also been introduced. A two-finger swipe down directly opens the quick toggles. Samsung has introduced a new Now bar feature, which works similarly to Apple's Dynamic Island but is positioned at the bottom of the screen for easier access. This bar displays useful information like your agenda, weather updates, and app suggestions, although its functionality is still somewhat limited for now. AI tools have seen a significant boost. The new AI Select feature on the Edge panel offers smarter, context-aware actions. For instance, you can directly access tools like Generative Edit or advanced writing options. Searching through your device is now easier with improved smart search capabilities. Additionally, the Circle to Search feature provides contextual actions like detecting an email address and offering a compose option. Samsung Keyboard now supports AI-generated stickers, allowing you to create fun, personalized images. For example, you could request a sticker of a pickle playing guitar. New widget styles have also been introduced for functions like the battery, calendar, and clock. Interestingly, Samsung is moving away from its own Bixby vision and appears to be promoting Google's Gemini Assistant as the default on the S25 series. Edge panels may also be on their way out, as Samsung has removed the link to download them from the Samsung Store. While Bixby is still available, it's no longer the default assistant and must be manually enabled through the side button settings. For users of the S25 series, Google's Gemini takes center stage as the main virtual assistant. This major update is likely to receive mixed reactions. While some users may appreciate the quality of life improvements, such as the streamlined camera app and smarter search options, others might find the iOS-inspired changes, like the new quick toggles and Now bar, a bit too familiar. And that's everything you need to know about Samsung's One UI 7 update. What do you think about these new features? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Stay tuned for more tech insights. We'll see you in the next video.